Oh, everyone, welcome back. Uh-oh, my generator. I'm taking a camping trip. I've turned on lights because generator's not doing too well, so I have to make sure a bunch of these lights are off, or else generator's gonna have a hard time. But yeah, so we're gonna be annoying our dog with clicking. Now this may not be same thing, but if you look, he looks when I click. Yeah, see? No, don't you start attacking the couch. Don't you dare. Also, my dog's kind of a psychopath, so don't be surprised if he starts attacking everything. Well, not me, but he starts biting and scratching at the couch because he hears it. So that's why I put the blanket down. If you like these sort of contents, make sure to like, subscribe. Some people may think it's cruel. It's not. It hurts him in no way possible. He's trained to do this for light and sounds. Dude. Dude, behind him. May not feel like here, but I am quick. Alright, you need to stop. It was not him trying to bite at me. It was him trying to bite at this, because he knows. See? Oh my god. Don't destroy my Amtrak thing. I got it at school. Special. Just thought it'll be a cool factor. Also, he does it for light, but I can't turn on my flashlight with my camera sideways. Will you be quiet? Quiet. If you smack him in the nose, he'll stop probably. Oi! Be quiet. Quiet, you. You like your European pet on? Yeah, make sure to like, subscribe. I just did this. We're on a trip right now, a 10-day trip. Or a 9-day trip, I guess. We're in our nice RV. I have that door closed so my parents are. It's currently like 2:30 in the morning. And yeah, Max. Look at him. Oh my, you sneaky bastard. Oi, stop that. Yeah, you stop that. Stop being crazy. Stop being crazy. Dim my light to help the phone. Wait, does I put it? Want cheese? Max, look at him. Like, oh, watch me up so I click it again. Oh my god! You chill. Ow. He's not biting me, don't worry. I put my foot in his mouth on accident. He didn't even bite down. I just got my foot in his teeth. He did not bite down. Well, in fact, I think he opened his mouth a little bit more. He jumped on me as a reaction to the clicking. No. No. Don't you think about Max. If you're wondering what the thing is down there, it's like a tumor or something, so gotta get that cut off the second we get back. He's gonna be fine though. He'll be fine though. I pull it out. Oh my god. You sir need to chill. You need to chill. Chill. Hey, chill. Take a chill pill, Max. You like your ears being bit? Back up a little bit. So yours. He likes his ears being pet. That's why he's doing that head motion. Yeah, make sure to like and subscribe because I kind of have fun with this, you know. He didn't actually tapping. That wasn't even an attack. That was just him trying to get at my little Amtrak thing. Yeah, you stay away. You stay away. He was trying to get at my little thing. This is what's clicking. No, you don't. No, you don't. No, you don't. Yeah, he's trying to get at this. Which there's a light in there too, but it's been since like years old, so. No. Chill. Yeah, I'm gonna end this video off here. Like, subscribe, see you in the next video. Goodbye.